All right. So to introduce tool number 4 for moles, we're going to use Snores stoichiometry. So you can see before me, I have our graham crackers. I've got a marshmallow, really small marshmallow, and some chocolate. Now, the chocolate, sadly, I don't have one fun size. So we're going to imagine that that is one fun size piece of chocolate. So let's do a balanced equation for a s'more. So I'm going to slide this over here to the side. And with the s'more, we have chocolate, plus we have our marshmallow, plus we have our graham cracker, all right, equals a s'more. Okay, so what numbers get plugged in here? Well, we're going to say that the chocolate is a fun-sized chocolate, so we know we have one of those. We have one marshmallow. We need 2 graham crackers, though, to give us one s'more. And so these coefficients that I'm underlining are super, super important. They represent our moles, okay? And so let's go ahead, let's come up with a problem. I've got one box of graham crackers. I've got a bag of marshmallows. I actually have lots of bags of marshmallows, but I don't have any more chocolate. All I have are these 2 little pieces here. So I actually need to go out to the store and I need to buy fun size chocolate Hershey bars. So that being said, how many do I need? Well, in this one box right here of graham crackers, I've got 54 graham crackers. And I want to know how much chocolate I need. Okay, so guess what? We're going to go up to our equation up above. We're going to utilize that equation. So with our 54 graham crackers, we don't want graham crackers, okay? We want chocolate. So I'm going to put graham crackers right here. There we go. There's our graham crackers. And we know that we can now convert graham crackers over to chocolate, and that's what we need to do. So now I have chocolate. That's what I want. Now I'm going to plug in the numbers. So if we look up above graham crackers, we have a 2 for graham cracker. And we have a 1 for chocolate. And I realize I'm putting the numbers behind. That's just because of space right now. Okay, graham crackers, it's going to cancel out. I'm left with chocolate. We're going to simplify. So we're going to bring the 54 down. 54 times 1, okay, all divided by 2. Well, 54 divided by 2 is 27 pieces of chocolate. And that is how I end up not only doing the stoichiometry, but how I end up using the moles in a balanced equation as well. Oh, one thing I did forget is this. I forgot that this also equals HB. And you might be wondering what HB is, and that's going to be a 1 there for HB. So there's 1 for HB. And what an HB represents is a happy belly now that I've eaten my s'mores. So that's how we do this.